We all have this great picture of robots in our head, right? We've all watched movies, we've all read books like C-3PO, R2-D2, but then we also have scary robots that we talk about, so things like the Terminator and Skynet. And if we think about the robots of reality, they kind of match what we think of in our heads. So we have robots that help us, right? They manufacture goods for us, so things like auto plants and manufacturing. We have robots that help clean our houses, like the Roomba and the neato. So what I mean by a robot is something that senses and perceives its world, makes decisions based on that, potentially with the input of a human, kind of like what we just heard about, and then acts upon that and moves within its world. So those are the kind of robots that I'm talking about. And we have two different types, and obviously a lot of hybrids in between. We have autonomous robots that do all of that on their own. And then you have teleoperated robots, where a human is actually a big part of the control. But I think one of the interesting things right now is that the robots of reality are starting to get to the point where they have similar capabilities to the robots of our imagination. So there are a lot of reasons, I think, for this exponential growth in robotics. Obviously, you have computation, right? You throw more computation at a problem, it becomes technically easier, right? Another big thing is sensing. So one of the sensors that's been developed and has enabled the whole autonomous car thing, and a sensor is also responsible for the drones. Just having an accelerometer and a gyroscope in a small chip package is what makes drones really possible. And then finally, markets. So robots have traditionally been the domain of manufacturing. We think of robots in manufacturing plants, and we think of robots for defense purposes. So you have a lot of new markets, healthcare, all sorts of things that are really pushing innovation in robotics in different directions.